Welcome back. Now let us do the various types of cleaning. And if you recollect in one of the video I had said, generally as per industry standard, I have seen that the column name the people keep it in the capital, and they keep the content in the small, so that there is no problem of case sensitivity at all. So we have, if you see that over here, we have already made the column name to the capital, and here in line 30 we are making all the content to the small letter using the function to_lower, so that we do not worry about the case sensitivity at all. So, okay, let's go ahead. Line 30, and there is a package library called DM. DM is also stand for text filing, and this has a lot of the library to cleaning the document. So let us give that library. And line 35, we are stemming the document. And what is the meaning of stem? The concept is already explained over here. If you see this stemming and lemmatization has been explained. I hope you recollect. If you do not, please revisit the concept. So line 35 we are stemming the document. Line 36 we are strip white spaces. Okay, I think this should be done first. So white space means if there is any white space in anywhere extra and also that should be done. And stemming the document, line 36, and remove words. What it means that remove word is a language that removes a set of the words. There is something called a stop word. Stop word is the let me print you then show you. I'm printing only that much. So this is the stop word. You see that these are the stop words. Most of these are the supporting, but as on their own they don't have that much meaning or the helper, because as per the text mining, mostly the noun, adjective and all those things really helps. So we are in line 37, we are removing the stop word, and line 38 we are removing the punctuations, and punctuations anything like comma, dot and everything. There is something called preserve intra-word dashes. So if there is any word say A dash B, so it will preserve that, otherwise it will remove. So line 38 is the removing the punctuation, and I have gone through this data manually also, and I have found it out that there are a lot of the units which are still not cleaned. So line 41, few of these things I have observed as per my manual observation, and here I have made a list of that array. Line 41, and we are removing this line 42 again, those things. Okay. And I have also found some places like this is having the inch and all. So this is finding out that where are this inch and all. Just inch and we'll do it something. So let us see. Line 44 we are seeing. Let me see that it should give in something. It has not given anything. Okay. Now there are some of the places which is having the URL patterns like HTTP, www, plus href and so on. These are not useful. So what we are doing, we are finding out those things and replacing with empty string. So this is the things it is doing in Mongo. Okay. And manually when I saw this data, many of these words are concatenated without a space. Like if you see this formation, interior, exterior, these are the three words have been merged into one. So what we are doing, I have observed this manual like 55, 56, 57. These are my manual. After looking into the data, I saw that these are the words, and at the same time I'm not saying that I'm able to get everything 100%. The data was quite huge. but whatever I could get it, I have made the one arrow bar here, and the corresponding right sentence is here. So if you see the selected line, this will be replaced with this. And when I was working with this problem, I did not find any library or any other way, so that through script we can convert these three words together to the three different words. I was not knowing, and even now I do not know. But if any one of you can know these things, how this can be done, then please write it on the discussion board, and it will be useful for all of us. So line 55 to 57 is the observation from the data, and this is manual observation, not necessarily through in script. And line 59 to 61 is the corresponding solution of this observation. This is what, and all these things we are doing it, replacing it. GSUB, I hope you recollect, we find that GSUB substitute, sub means substitute, global. So it finds out those words and says substitute of these things, these solutions. So line 64 to line 67, it is doing the substitute. Done. And now cleaning up these things what we did. And few things I had observed this manually at California and all. This is the okay. If you see that some places the California the word has been there, but it is part of the either double word or triple word or something mixed. So what we are trying to do, we are adding a space. So a space, so that at least we can identify that this is the place. For spelling mistakes, so adding the space before and after. So this is what we are doing. This is the manual. And I've done the line 72. So if you see that till this point we have done the basic cleaning of the data which we have, and if you find any other library that can help you of whatever we did it, you are welcome to use. And definitely as the time passes, more and more library comes which helps in the text cleaning. So now starts, till now we did a few things manual and all. Now I'll be using some of the standard library. That we'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next one.